Once upon a time, in a quiet kingdom surrounded by hills, there lived a young princess named Aria. She loved beauty more than anything. She loved flowers, colors, and gentle morning light. But there was one thing she feared deeply: change. One spring, a terrible storm swept through the kingdom. The wind tore petals from the roses, broke branches, and left the royal garden empty and brown. When Princess Aria saw her favorite flowers wilted, she felt her heart tighten. "I don't want anything to fade again," she whispered. So she came up with an idea. Aria asked the kingdom's craftsmen to build her a special garden, a glass garden filled with flowers made of crystal and light. The roses were ruby red, the lilies were pure diamond, and the vines sparkled like emeralds when the sun touched them. Nothing ever changed, nothing ever wilted, nothing ever moved. The princess visited the glass garden every morning. It was perfect, but day by day, her smile grew smaller. One afternoon, as Aria walked through the garden, she heard a faint sound. A tiny, real flower was pushing its way through the glass tiles at her feet. A small yellow daisy, bright and alive. "Little one," she whispered, "you are not supposed to be here." She reached out to pick it, but stopped. The daisy moved gently in the breeze, and she realized there was no breeze in the glass garden. Aria stepped back. Her own reflection stared at her from the crystal flowers. Everything was beautiful, but nothing was alive. That evening, she visited the old royal gardener, who sat beside a patch of soil, planting new seeds. "Why do you plant more flowers?" Aria asked softly. "They will fade. The storms will come again." The gardener smiled. "Yes, princess, they will fade, but they will grow again. That is their magic." Aria looked down at the small daisy she had brought with her. It trembled gently in her hand, warm and real. The next morning, the princess made a decision. She closed the glass garden forever and opened a new one. A living garden filled with soil, sunlight, rain, and hope. As she planted the little daisy, she finally understood. Beauty is not what stays the same. Beauty is what grows. And from that day on, Princess Aria learned to love the world not for its perfection, but for its wonderful, ever-changing heart.